Morning guys, and welcome to a glorious April day in Edinburgh. I'm just off Princes Street, which is to my front, and of course behind you can see Edinburgh Castle, and of course the Royal Mile up on the ridge there. But I'm not going to do a tour of Edinburgh. It's such a beautiful place and there's so much depth of history, etc, etc. It would take me 100 videos to do it justice, but I want to tell one story of a small dog called Bobby, which is it touches me. I think it'll touch you. For those of you who know the story, there'll be nothing new obviously, but for those that don't, definitely check this side of Edinburgh out when you're next to the town. Okay, let's go then. Brunch was on our mind after exploring the lovely waters of Leith. Jolly bee. How was it, my dear?
Really nice.
Wow. Can you describe the chicken joy? Rikayu, there you go.
Very yummy, delicious.
Delicious. Wow, that's good actually.
Yeah.
Jolly spaghetti for me. Hiya guys, we made it, the Royal Mile, took a left, and here we are. And this is the grave of Greyfriars Bobby, the little dog, Skye Terrier. 14 years he stood vigil over his master, John Gray, and before he died he was sculpted, and we'll go and see it in a minute, the actual sculpture of the little dog. Lovely story. I'll see you in a sec. The inscription on Greyfriars Bobby's grave reads, "Let devotion and loyalty be a lesson to others." Hear, hear. And here is the grave of John Gray, who was Greyfriars Bobby's master. He had him for 2 years before he passed away. This guy was a night watchman with the local police, and it's here that Greyfriars Bobby, the little dog, stood vigil for 14 years. Hi guys, here he is, Greyfriars Bobby. Sculpted from life in 1872, just before he passed away. And you see his nose all polished. All the good luck he gives everybody who passes by. Isn't he cute? What a story. See you later. A short walk back up Victoria Street of Harry Potter fame, and we're back on the Royal Mile with all its vibrancy. That adds a bit of atmosphere, doesn't it? How about that? Scotland the Brave. The Piper. Awesome.